Are you a firearms instructor or thinking about becoming one? My specialty is training beginners for a gun club near Seattle, Washington. We get many students in our classes who have never handled a gun. Now many of them are shooting with us in open bay tactical events. So what makes me want to train beginners? Well, there are two reasons. First, there's a big demand for beginners training driven by record sales to new gun owners. Our beginners classes fill up quickly and many come back later for more training. This helps our gun club grow its membership and stay profitable. The second reason I want to train beginners is out of a sense of civic duty. Our founders guaranteed the right to keep and bear arms for a reason. They were fresh off the fight against tyranny and understood it could happen again. By training beginners, I feel like I'm helping out in my own small way. Find out what we have to offer firearms instructors who want to train beginners. Visit our website to learn more. You'll find a link in the description below. We have videos and lessons plans for training beginners through intermediate level shooters. And by listing your classes with us, you'll reach new audiences who can find you online. I hope you'll consider joining us in our efforts. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you at the range.